How to get Dragon Claw in Blox Fruits. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll be demonstrating the process of obtaining the Dragon Claw on Blox Fruits. The Dragon Claw, also known as the Dragon Breath, is a formidable fighting style that can be acquired in the second or the third sea. To begin, you must purchase the Dragon Breath for 1500 fragments from the Sabi, which can be found in the second to last arc of the Red Bridge at the Kingdom of the Rose in the second seal, or at the Castle on the Sea in the third sea. Once you have obtained the Dragon Breath, you will unlock powerful moves such as Dragon Brush, Dragon Flames, and Dragon Explosion. This initial fighting style is readily available for immediate use after the purchase, and furthermore, the Dragon Breath can be upgraded to the Dragon Talon, a more advanced and powerful form of the fighting style. To achieve this upgrade, you must first reach 400 mastery with the Dragon Breath, and then you will need to provide a Fire Essence along with the 3 million currency and 5000 fragments to a specific NPC. Once you have met all these requirements, including the Fire Essence, 400 mastery on the Dragon Breath, 300 million currency, and 5000 fragments, the NPC will exchange your Dragon Breath for the enhanced Dragon Talon. This upgraded fighting style offers additional moves and improved capabilities. So I trust that this detailed explanation has assisted you in understanding how to acquire the claw on the Blox Fruits. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more straightforward tips and tutorials. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next one.